Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video, we're going to do a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, just released, and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Which one is the right for you? We're going to do an EBPMAN style call quality test. We're going to do an audio test that's going to allow you to hear exactly how these sound, so make sure you're wearing headphones or earbuds, and we'll check out the features too. Let's get right to it. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are very similar, but there's some small differences. First of all, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, which you see right here, are $149. The Buds Live are $169. From a battery life, you're going to see 11 hours of use of these, 15 hours of talk time. Now, I've never really had the 15 hours of talk time. More about 9 to 10 hours is what I've been experiencing. And then here you're going to get 5 to 8 hours. Now, the 5 to 8 hours varies because if you have active noise canceling on or off, that's going to change the way your battery is going to perform. So that's another big difference. This one has active noise canceling, this one doesn't. But this one has transparency mode, and this one doesn't. So you're handing off, a feature to one versus the other, depending on what's important to you. The other thing is that they both support the same level of Bluetooth. They both can be used independently. They both perform really well when it comes to audio, except what I'll say is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live have a deeper bass. Now, that being said, when we take a look at how they physically look, we're going to talk about some of the physical differences that change the audio experience. You're looking at 3 mics on both, except this one actually has this thing that they're calling a voice unit. This voice pickup unit, when it's in your ear and your jaw moves, it detects that your jaw is moved, and then it highlights or it kind of focuses on your voice to give you the best call quality. So when we do the call quality test, you're going to be able to determine which one is the best when it comes to call quality. They both support iOS and Android, and they're both IP2 rated. They're not IP4 or 5, IP2, which still means that you're going to be able to use these in the gym. You're going to be able to get them light sprinkles. You could probably even get caught in the rain, but not a torrential rain. They should be able to do in all those areas. Now, the last thing I wanted to cover before we actually take a look at the Buds and compare them and then lead into our audio test is that the Buds Live will give you in 5 minutes 1 hour of usage if you do run out of power, and the Buds Plus you're going to be able to get within 3-minute charge 1 hour of usage. So there's some differences, but not major. So as you're thinking about battery life and usage, just think about which one is going to be the best for you. Now, on the physical side, these things are very different, and it also affects the audio quality. So as we're taking a look right here, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus have the traditional where you get in your ear. So it goes all the way into your ear canal to give you a great passive noise canceling experience, which means even though these don't have active noise canceling, you really get a good seal that kind of, I would say, immerses you in your experience. So everything goes away because it goes really deep in your ear. You do have the fins here, and everything is, touch, right? So that's what this one looks like. Now, as we compare it here to the Live, very different. This is an on-ear model. So the way you compare this, so you think about this, is if you think about the AirPods, how they hook right on your ear, they don't go in your ear, they just hook. These hook, but they hook inside, a little bit deeper. But the speaker that you see right here rests right at the opening of your ear canal, which means people are going to be able to hear the music that you're listening to, and you're going to be able to hear people as well because you're not getting that seal. When you put these all the way in your ear, it's like putting an earplug in. So there's a big difference. Also, in my opinion, these give you the best fit, right? Because the way they lock, let me show you. I'm going to put this one in. All right, so that's in right there, and then I'm going to put this one in. I'm going to just twist it a little bit. So this is what they'll look like, right? So Buds Plus, Buds Live. Now, this is still resting on top, so I can hear my voice clearly on this side. And when I speak on this side, I'm much more muffled because of the way the earpiece is in. So that's also going to affect your audio quality. Now, I will say that even though these rest on your ear, like in the inside of your ear, the audio quality is really good. It is very good. The bass is there, mids and highs are there. And in the next video segment that you're going to get in a second, you're going to be able to hear both of these playing at the same volume level coming from the same phone, and it's going to be an audio test where you'll be able to hear what I'm hearing. The other thing is that they're at the same volume level. Just want to make sure that you guys realize that. Volume level, as well as I have them both set to dynamic. Dynamic is my preference when it comes to listening to music. You can actually change it to bass or you can put it to normal, but I think that the dynamic is the one that's going to give you the best experience. Now next we're going to do a call quality test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in a quiet environment. Take a look at our decibel readings. Anywhere from 22 to 24 decibels in noise. Let's go and switch. Now, this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Next, We're going to go into noisy environment. Now we're doing a call quality test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in a noisy environment. As you can see here, the decibel readings are much different. We're seeing anywhere from 30 all the way up to 79 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. We'll stay quiet to see how much noise is being canceled, and then we'll continue with the vocal test. Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus sound like in a noisy environment. Next, we're doing a call quality test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in a quiet environment. If you take a look at our decibel readings, 22 to about 24 decibels in noise. Let's go and switch. Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live sound like in a quiet environment. Next, let's go into a noisy one. Now we're in the noisy environment testing out the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. As you take a look at our decibel readings, we're looking at anywhere from 32 all the way up to 79 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Galaxy Buds Live. We'll pause so that you can hear how much of the noise is being canceled, and then we'll do the vocal test. Let's go ahead and switch. This is what the call quality will sound like when making a phone call on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live sound like in a noisy environment. Now next we're going to do our audio test, so make sure that you're wearing some headphones or earbuds. We're going to play bass, mids, and highs. We're going to have some vocals going. We're going to have 3 tracks, each around 15 to 30 seconds to give you a sense of what these are going to sound like. So let's get right to it.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got that motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough, I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, in and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow colder. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. Now we're switching to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, so let's check these out. Out of love, never get enough. We never to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're
Now, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are great earbuds. They're a good choice for anyone who has a Samsung phone. But if you're looking for other options, looking for headphones that have active noise canceling or have great call quality, make sure you check out these playlists.